serial number 744B.
Matches the log. Run the borescope check on the combustion chamber.
Temperature holding steady at 22 Celsius.
Acknowledged. Humidity is optimal.
The automated nozzle applies a thin layer of high-temperature polymer adhesive, critical for the noise suppression system.
The structurally complete airframe moves smoothly towards engine integration, marking the start of Process A.
Fuel line secure. Initiating pressure test.
Pressure holding steady. No leaks detected.
Sensor data confirms pitch angle uniformity. Everything is within tolerance.
Good. The mechanical linkages are fully functional.
Pressure holding steady at 2,000 psi.
Roger that. Securing the final conduit now. Alignment looks good. Lock it down.
Status is nominal across all parameters.
Automated injectors apply a specialized, self-sealing polymer compound, ensuring absolute integrity against leaks.
Check the bypass valve pressure. It's dropping.
Confirmed. Recording the inconsistency.
Check the mounting points again.
All green. Ready for securing.
All shielded wires connected on the main bus.
Confirming continuity on the tablet. Looks good. Precise control parameters are set.
Airflow readings on the RU-19 are stabilizing within parameters.
Confirmed. The ducting modification is working efficiently.
Make sure the torque is set correctly on that fitting.
Got it. Just checking the gauge now.
The bead quality is uniform across the entire panel.
Inspection complete. The compartment integrity is guaranteed.
reading at 5.2 mils near the intake.
Consistent with the spec. UV looks good.
Initiating diagnostics on the auxiliary turbojet now.
Reading green across the board. The curl is ready for the run-up.
We need to ensure these are calibrated correctly before the final review.
I've double-checked the schematics. The seating position is exact. Verifying the integrity of the forward access panels.
Acknowledged. Control surfaces are secure. A perforated composite shell is applied to the acoustic core, providing structural rigidity and aerodynamic smoothness.
A high-precision CNC router shaves the excess material from the edges of the newly formed dark matte gray panels. High-powered speakers emit controlled frequencies, simulating jet engine noise, while sensitive microphones measure.
Test complete. Pass.
Departure signals a crucial transition. The specialized dark matte gray panels are now entering the external logistics phase, separate from the main aircraft flow.
There it is, finished product B.
The matte finish looks great. We can start mounting these right away. With the modular acoustic dampeners installed, we can now communicate safely right next to the engine during checks.
It's a game changer for long-term hearing protection.
The modular panels reduce the noise significantly. This allows us to communicate effectively and ensures a safer working environment for the whole crew. All systems green on the dampeners, Captain. Fuel pressure is nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for final sequence check.
Finished product B is performing exactly as expected.
The acoustic footprint is significantly reduced.
Maintaining the cleanliness of the perforated surface is crucial for maximizing sound absorption efficiency, ensuring the noise suppression systems.
These modular dampeners mean less reliance on bulky hearing protection. Now listen to the difference.
A cross-section of the modular acoustic dampener panel reveals the multi-layered light gray core beneath the dark matte gray composite skin.
All right, bring the next pallet down now. Clear on the left. Move it to hangar 3, quickly.
Finished product B enables quieter operation even during high-thrust maneuvers, demonstrating effective sound mitigation during takeoff.
Delta 451 Heavy, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Delta 451 Heavy.
The data confirms zero water ingress. These acoustic panels are fully robust for service.
The panels are absorbing the mid-frequency harmonics as expected.
Good. Let's monitor the intake pressure for the next cycle.
As you can see from the metrics, the noise reduction reaches 40 decibels at cruising speed.
That level of dampening is exactly what we need for the new fleet.
There we are. Looking forward to seeing these installed.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Seamless. The seamless integration of the noise suppression system is clear. This is the final outcome of Process B, an essential